writing correct, I'll say it right. Right, everybody? As RE greater than RP, as RE greater than RP, RE greater than RP, RE is greater than RP, we get GE is less than GP. GE is less than GP. GE is less than GP. Have you understand this one? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, at the equator of the Earth, what is latitudes? Anybody show me in this picture what is latitudes? This is only called as latitudes. Yes or no, Hari? Mitakshri? Yes, please. This curves only we used to call as basically latitudes. Yes or no? Yes. Now you tell me, at the equator, what is the latitude? Is it a straight line or any kind of angle, curved shape? Yes, please. At the north and south pole, is it a straight line or any kind of curved latitudes? At the poles, they are straight line at the north pole and south pole. Then what is the angle, Mitakshri? If it is straight line, what is the angle? Anyone? I'm asking the question, if it is a straight line, what is the angle here? That is what I am asking. At the north pole and south pole. Anybody? There is straight line means.
Sir.
What is Hari? What is the angle, Hari?
Sir, latitude means like a parallel, sir. Not that, sir. That is longitude, sir.
Yeah, tell me, what is that angle now?
90, sir.
90 degrees. So, that is what? If acceleration due to gravity increases, then latitudes also increases. That is what you have to remember. Please write it. The latitude is 0, right? At the equator of the Earth, at the equator of the Earth, at the equator of the Earth, at the equator here, at the equator of the Earth, at the equator of the Earth, at the equator of the Earth, the latitude is 0. The latitude is 0. The latitude is 0. And the poles, latitude is how much? How much my latitude? And the poles, Hari? And the poles, how much? This is only I am saying. Actually, this is only, that is only latitudes. Yes or no, Hari? Yeah, at the poles, how much angle? At the equator, latitude is 0. At the poles, I am asking, North Pole and South Pole, what is the latitude? Mr. Hari Seras, angle?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. That is what? At the equator of the Earth, latitude is 0. Latitude is 0. Latitude is 0. On the poles, where north or south, north or south, north or south, its value is how much? Value is 90. Value is 90. 90. I'll send you one picture in group. You can see that picture. Value is 90. Thus, the acceleration due to gravity, increases as the latitude increases. increases as the latitude increases. As the latitude increases. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no, Hari? Are you clear, Mitakshri? Please respond.
Yes.
Yeah, latitude at equator. Latitude at equator. I have sent you one picture. What is at equator? Is 0. Latitude at the poles, how much, Mister? 90 degrees. So latitude is increasing. As we know that, where is the G value is maximum? At equator or at the poles? At the poles or at equator? At the poles, yes or no? So latitude is increasing, G value is also increases. So please remember, that is what the relation between them. If greater the latitude, higher will be the G value. That is what only things. But radius is decreasing. Understanding? Radius is minimum. Next, G value is maximum. Latitude is also maximum. That is what 90 degrees. Next, radius at equator is maximum, G value at equator is minimum, and latitude is how much, Amma? Latitude is how much? 0 degrees. That is what you have to remember. So that is the final relation between the third factor which is going to affect the acceleration due to gravity. Hope all are understand. Anything doubt, please let me know. Are you clear, guys? Kaushik, Gokul? That is one. Okay.
Sir.
So any doubt, let me know. So please, this diagram also you can draw. So this is what is the three factors: altitude, depth, and as well as and the poles. So these poles, which is there in our Chand book also, as I told you the concept, acceleration due to gravity. It is depends due to, that is what variation of acceleration due to gravity. Mr. Haris Sairas, you are also having soft copy. Mr. Kaushik also. I'm reminding all you are having hard copy. So please read that entire paragraph, and you can say finally, G is maximum on the surface of the earth. It is decreases on going above the surface of the earth and going inside the surface of the earth, and as well as going towards to the equator. Also it is decreases. Going towards the poles, it is also going towards the poles. It is increases or decreases. Going towards the poles, increases or decreases, guys. Going towards the poles, increases or decreases. Takshri, Harish, going towards the poles, increases or decreases. What is it? Increases. Okay. If going towards the equator, decreases. Going towards the poles, increases. That is why the gold which you purchase in the Jammu Kashmir does not have same weight in our Tamil Nadu. Definitely having some variation. Why, guys? What is the reason behind? Due to the acceleration due to gravity. Because gravity at Jammu and Kashmir is not same in gravity at Tamil Nadu. So definitely some variation in their weight. Gold weight will be always shows variation. That is why you can see the gold which you purchase in Jammu Kashmir, you cannot sell in Tamil Nadu for the same weight, because due to the gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity, definitely some weight variation will be there, which we will study in the next concept. That is what mass and weight. So mass will be remain same, but weight is not constant. So that is the reason. The reason behind is only acceleration due to gravity. The G value is not same throughout the universe. So throughout the earth, averagely we will consider as G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. But at the poles it is maximum, and at the equator it is minimum. That is what we people remember, and it is place to place. When I'm here on the earth, it is always is not constant. Definitely it will show some light variations. That is why the weight of the body, weight is not constant everywhere. Understanding? everywhere, definitely it will show some variation because of G value, because of G. Is it okay, guys? Yes, Harish. That is what you have to remember it. Okay, everyone. So that is everybody should remember that image also I will send you in the group. Now, based upon this one, as I told you, now I want to ask you one question. As I told you, the Earth G value is 9.8 meter per second. Now, is it all the planets and sun, everything is having the same value or different values? Anybody? Earth is 9.8 meter per second square. As we know that, then is it I am asking all the suppose sun, moon, other planets and all, is it they're having the same G value or different G value?
Different G values.
Different G value. Because what is the factors affecting? Anybody can tell me? What is the factors affecting G value? What is the formula of G value? G is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. Now, if I'll take Earth, now if I'll take moon, understanding, sorry, Earth is bigger than moon. Now you tell me, is it radius of Earth is equals to radius of moon? Is it? No. Yes or no?
No.
Next, mass of Earth, is it equals to mass of moon? No.
Sir.
So, gravitational force of Earth is also not equals to what? Gravitational force of moon. Are you understand everybody? So, acceleration due to gravity of Earth is not equals to acceleration due to gravity of moon. Same way if you take sun. So, sun is also having more mass. Mass is different, radius also different. So, if you take the sun, so sun acceleration due to gravity is also not equals to acceleration due to gravity of Earth, and it is also not equals to acceleration due to gravity of moon. So no body in the universe having the same acceleration due to gravity. So they are having different mass and different radius, so that their acceleration due to gravity also will changes. Understand? So how much it will changes is based upon mass of the object, and as well as radius of the object. So due to this change in acceleration due to gravity only, the weight of the object is not constant. Weight of the object is not constant everywhere. So object to object, if you are standing on Earth, you are having different weight. If you are standing on moon, different weight. If you are standing on another planet, different weight. So our weight is always different from planet to planet. Even on the Earth itself, G value is not constant, because as we found at the poles, G value is what? At poles, G value is maximum, and at equator, G value is what? G value is minimum. So definitely some variation in the weight also. So the same thing will be applicable to everything. Now let us see, for our today's class, we'll calculate the G value of the moon. Shall we calculate? Mitakshri, Gokul, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as we know, already in the before classes and all, we saw gravity of Earth. What is the G value of Earth? We found it already, 9.8 meter per second square. I hope you all people know how to solve it also. Now, let us solve the gravitational force of acceleration due to gravity of moon. This is the formula. So who will solve it? Let me see. So make it fast, everybody. Write the question. Write the question, all of you. So this write it power problem. 7.4 into 10 power 22 kg. Radius of Earth is 1740 kilometer. Next, G value 6.7 into 10 power minus 11. It is minus 11 Newton square meter. Square meter per kilogram square. Please write it properly. Okay, guys. Shall we start now? Gokul, tell me the formula. What is the formula? Calculating formula. G value now. G is equals to, yes, please. Now moon we are going to calculate. Is equals to, what is the formula?
Capital G into capital M by R square.
Yes, very good. Mass of moon divided by radius of moon whole square. Is it yes, everyone? Yes or no? That is what. So shall we start now? All of you ready? Now you tell me, as I told you, always radius must be in what units, Hari? Radius must be in what units? It must be in meters. Okay. Now, can you tell me anybody, Mr. Hari Zairas, Kaushik and all, radius of the moon is 1,740 kilometer. Can you convert into meters and tell me how many meters it is? Yes. Anybody? As you know that 1 kilometer equals how many meters? Don't know that also? 1,000 meters. Okay. So I can write as a 1740 into 1,000 meters. Okay. Now I will modify this one as some other format. Is it right or wrong? Tell me. Can I write this one as 1.740 into 1,000? Again, this 1,000 will come. Is it right or wrong, Mitakshri?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now that is what? So 1.740 into 1,000 I can write as a 10 power 3. This 1,000 also I can write as a 10 power 3 meters. So now mathematics, 1.740 into 10 power 3 and 10 power 3, how much it is? How much it is? 10 power 6 meters. Now, Mr. Hari Zairas, have you understand that radius of moon? How many of you understand, Mr. Akilan? Are you understand or not?
Sir.
Yeah, that is what. So please write it. 1.74 into 10 power 6 meters. That's all. So now you can substitute everything, you'll get the answer. So G value of moon, which is equals to, what is the capital G value? 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 into mass of moon. Tell me fastly. 7.4 into 10 power 22 divided by, what is the radius of the moon? Radius of the moon, 1.740 into 10 power 6 whole square. Yes, Harish?
Yes, sir. 1.637, sir.
Yeah. So you can take G value of moon. See, Hari already solved. That is what I want. 6.7 into, I will write this 7.4 separately. 7.4 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 22 divided by, you can notice. So this one, how I can write? AB whole square. How I can write? A square into B square. So same way I can write 1.740 whole square into 10 power 6 whole square. Yes, Gokul? Understand, Gokul? Kaushik? Arun Kailash? Arun Kailash, answer, Are. What is this, Ra?
Yes, sir.
What is, sir? Solve now. So 6.7 into 7.4 into 10 power minus 11 and 22. How much, guys? Mitakshri, fastly. Minus 11 plus 22, which is equals to plus 11. Yes or no? Yes, plus 11 divided by 1.74 whole square. How much value, Hari? 1.740 whole square.
3.276, sir.
Yeah, 1.740 is equals to 3.48, correct, Hari?
Sir, 3.0.
Hey, 1.740 in square, correct? Yes or no? How much?
3.02, sir.
Yeah, 3.0.
3.076.
Yeah, 76 into, yeah, this is what everybody do it, 1.740 into 1.740, which is equals to 3.076. Same way, 10 power 6 whole square, how much? 10 power 6 whole square,
10
10
power.
power 12, 6 2s are 12, 10 power 12. Next step, 10 power 12 will go up, which is equals to, now first multiply 6.7 into 7.4, everybody, 7.4 which is equals to
49.58, sir.
49.58 into 10 power 11, and 10 power 12 will become 10 power minus 12 divided by 3.0276. So 10 power 11 minus 12, how much ra? 11 plus 12 plus 11 minus 12, which is equals to everybody minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what? Minus 1 meter per second square. So do this division, everybody. Divide by 3.0276. Hari is already solved, which is equals to what? 16.37. Yes or no, Hari? Now, which is equals to
Yes, sir.
minus 1 will go right side one decimal. So that 1.637 meter per second square. That is what the gravity of moon. Yes, understand everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Solve it now. So you'll get the answer. I hope everybody will solve. This is what is G value. All should need to solve like this only. Okay. So this is all about it. Now, what your duty is, till here you'll be having one exercise in our textbook. So till here, whatever the questions will come, these all the questions you have to solve related to this. Then next class we'll study what is free fall and what is mass and weight. Then that is what it is over. So now in page number 100, you'll be having so many questions, and related to this you'll be having some numericals also. If you'll observe page number 101, question number 36 to 35 to 38, all the questions are related to this only. So this all the questions based upon the gravity only. So I hope everybody can calculate. Remaining only mass and weight will come. So please try to calculate it, and wherever you are getting this acceleration due to gravities, you have to calculate it. Understand, Mitakshari? Solve all the questions, everything is there. And same way long answer questions also, you'll be having question number 53, question number 54, question number 55. You'll be having this all the things you have to make it and try to solve it. Then only we'll proceed from mass and weight, and as well as axial, that is what free fall case. What is the equations of motion in free fall? That is all the things we'll study in the next class. So with this, I'll stop the today's class. So please solve it and make all the things clear, because 2 days you are having free. So please finish it. Then we'll continue from there. Okay, guys. Thank you, everybody.